I broke our cake.
We can just glue it back together with frosting.
Dani, I don't think that'll work.
No.
Okay, so we're gonna problem solve here. This will be our bottom, okay?
Good idea.
You see, you can't see it once it's gonna be frosted and stuff. It'll be okay. We'll make it work. Be careful with these fragile creatures. Okay, let's rip it off.
So the cheese on the hamburger, it doesn't show. Bailey had a marvelous idea to roll the extra and just put it on the side.
Okay, so we're gonna make our toppings and we'll be back.
Don't do that, never mind.
Wait, I really don't want to be the one that breaks this.
Again.
Oh, we didn't. We didn't take the paper off.
Uh-oh.
Someone has to help me here.
I'll throw this away.
Okay, so. Okay, so the cheese didn't work out so well. So we just put it on there so they would have a nice taste. But we also cut that.
Yeah, I like that. You
Okay, so these are my pickles. I took a toothpick and just went like that. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna place them in the sides of my hamburger cake. Round and twist it.